I'm in my kitchen going through my cupboards, making my shopping list for the cleanse. We are starting this Sunday, May 5th. It lasts 21 days. We've already got 10 people joined and we're looking for a few more. I am getting super excited because A, it's more fun to cleanse together, and B, I've done this before and I know how good I can feel when I avoid processed foods and I focus on nutrition. So whether you've done a cleanse before or not, it's a great time to join. We've partnered with Minneapolis Integrative Medicine Center to create this awesome resource based on the Whole30 plan that you avoid sugar, grain, alcohol, legumes, and dairy, and you investigate how food affects how you think and feel and act. So we don't limit the quantity, we improve the quality of what we eat, and it's really eye-opening. If you're interested, look on our website to find out more, and you can sign up there as well. And you know, we've picked the Whole30 because there are a ton of resources online. We've boiled all of that down into this very easy to follow plan. There is a meal plan, there are sample detox exercises, there's a progress tracker, there are a ton of links to recipes. You eat meat, vegetables, fruits, and natural fats. You can eat as much of those as you want to, and as you start to remove yourself from some of the foods you often rely on, you can look at your functioning with clarity and see how those foods have been affecting you. We will have meetings in person on Sunday nights. We will be done before Game of Thrones starts, I promise, way done before. And when we're not together in person on Sunday nights, we will be in an online community together where we can share tips and tricks and resources, recipes, and foods that we found that we can eat out, things like that. Like I said, it's really fun and motivating to do it together, and it's awesome to do a cleanse periodically just so you can step back and get a good amount of information about the types of foods that make you feel and function the best. So I would love to answer some questions if anybody has them. Like I said, we start this Sunday, May 5th. We will be done by the 21st of May, although do give yourself some time to reintroduce foods back into your diet to really continue that investigation. We, like I said, are partnering with Minneapolis Integrative Medicine Center, so we have the doctor and dietitian there to assist us in this process, which is really special for us. So like I said, it's a good time whether you've done a cleanse or not before. So yeah, let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to Sunday.